I can remember when my cat was sick and I had to take her for an ultrasound. It was a very nerve-wracking experience. And I swore to myself, I will make this experience when I own my own hospital a lot different.
I walk in and it's like this old bank that's been restored and turned into this veterinary clinic. The people are just so nice here, you know, and they're inviting. And as soon as I walk in, it's clean, it's beautiful, and you know, they take you right to a room, which is nice because you're not out with other dogs, you know, and cats. And Betty's a handful, so it's best that she gets into a room.
I know for the owner of a pet who's planning to have their pet undergo some sort of surgical procedure, it can really be a very difficult experience for you to fathom. And it's not something that we do unless we have a strong medical rationale for doing.
The nurse went over the procedures with me, told me about what anesthetics they were going to be using, approximately how long the procedure would take, and then told me that it would probably take a couple of hours for her to wake up, and then they would give me a call when she was ready. That was it. They, you know, took her away. She was happy, wagging her tail. Had no idea that she was having surgery today, and then I said goodbye to everybody and we left. It was like 11 o'clock, about 11 o'clock this morning that they called me and said that she did well.
When your pet is recovering in one of our heated recovery cages, you can be assured that in addition to monitoring temperature, their respiration, and their pulse, our techs are constantly making sure that they're warm and cozy and recovering on pace. When you come to pick up your pet after a surgical procedure, one of our technicians or the doctor will go over discharge instructions with you.
And it wasn't a 10-minute appointment. It was a half hour of just explaining everything to me and making sure that I understood the procedure. And that is what was really like lovely about that.
So when people leave here, we want them to be comfortable with what has happened. We want them to understand what has happened, and we want them to feel open to call us if they have any questions.